The next which we are going to discuss is pair of angles, axiom 6.1. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180. Now see here, a ray stands on a line. Let us take a line here. AB is a line. Now see here, this is a line. Ray stands on a line. Let us take that this is a ray at a point O on the line AB. OC stands on that line AB. If it is so, then AOC and COA, these two angles are adjacent angles, and when I add these two angles, that will be equal to 180, sum of two adjacent angles. Now this angle and this angle are adjacent angles. When you add these two angles, this will be equal to 180. Let angle AOC equal to 1. Now angle COB is equal to 2. Here this is 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2, this is equal to 180. This is called as linear pair of angles. This is called as the linear pair of angles. Now axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arm of the angle forms a line. See here, sum of the angle, adjacent angle is 180. Now when I add these two and I got the answer as 180 means non-common arm. Non-common arm means OA is the non-common arm, OC is the common arm, OB is the fixed one. Now OA keeps on moving and makes the angle 1 and 2. This OA moves and come back and falls on the same line on OB. That OA and OB lies on a single line. Then only these two angles will be equal to 180. If these two are equal to 180, OA automatically falls on the line and OB. That is what this statement states. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, when I add these two angle and I got the answer as 180 means this non-common arm of the angle forms a line. Forms a line means this will fall on the same line of OB. On the line OB, OA also will lie. Then this entire thing forms a single line as AB. This is axiom 6.2. The next which we are going to discuss is theorem 6.1. If two lines intersects each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Now for this we have to give the proof. Just now we have discussed about this one. Now see here, two lines intersects each other. Now first consider what are the two lines. Let AB and CD be the two lines intersecting at O. Now draw that figure. A, B, C, D. This intersects at the point O. AB and CD are the two lines intersecting at O. At this time, we have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, first let us name what are the pair of vertical angles here. A pair of vertical angle is AOC and BOD. These two will be vertically opposite angles, AOC and BOD. So the pair of vertically opposite angles are angle AOC and angle BOD, and angle AOD and angle BOC. Now let angle AOC is equal to 1. Let us give the number 1. Angle BOD is equal to 2. BOD is equal to 2. Next, angle AOD is equal to 3. Angle BOC is equal to 4. I have given numbers here. So hereafter, instead of this one, I will be using the numbers. These are all angles. So give the angles here. Now we have to prove that AOC is equal to BOD. For proving this, we will be using the axiom 6.1. See here, ray stands on a line there. Now let us take AB is a line. AB is a line. OC ray stands on AB. Then angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. These two are linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Next, same AB is a line. Next side, OD ray stands on AB. Now OD means now angle 3 and angle 2. Now angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. This is also linear pair of angles. Now next, now let us take the line as CD. Now CD is a line. OB stands on CD. Now OB is the ray stands on the line CD. If it is so, angle 4 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair of angles. Next, CD is a line. OA stands on CD. CD means next angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. This is also linear pair of angles. Every time we have to write the reason near to that. Now let us take this as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we have to select this equation from these four such a way that we can prove that 1 is equal to 2. To prove that 1 is equal to 2, now which equations we have to select, that we have to identify. Similarly, we have to see that for proving 3 is equal to 4, which equations we have to select. Now select the equation 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Select the equation 1 and 3. Now in that 1 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 2. Now 4 and 4 is common, so we can get 1 is equal to angle 2. Now for the next one, we can select the angle 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now if I select that, angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 2. Now angle 2 is common, so these two will get cancelled. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now angle 1 is equal to 3 means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Now similarly angle 3 is equal to 4 means angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Therefore vertically opposite angles are equal.